Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Bianca Shanice and I'm here with a new video. If you're new here, hello. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Also, please don't forget to hit like, comment, and subscribe. And please don't forget to hit that notification button so you can get alerts when I put up new videos. Because how is y'all gonna see me? Okay, so before I get ready to leave out to go to my family's house, I have to make some Rice Krispies. So I went to Walmart and bought 3 packs of marshmallows, and I got a pan and some aluminum foil, and I have a box of Rice Krispies. I will be using this type of butter. So now I'm just adding the marshmallows to the pot. So now I'm just mixing up the marshmallows with the butter until it's all melted. Now that it's all melted, I can add the Rice Krispie treats to it. So now I'm just going to spray the pan with some Pam so the Rice Krispies don't be sticking. And I also sprayed the spatula that I sprayed the Rice Krispie treats out with, so it could be easy for me to spray the Rice Krispies out. And they really turned out really good. So this is my Thanksgiving fit, just to wear to the living room. Yeah, something cute and simple. My Uggs. So I have already got my clothes on, finished my makeup, just trying to fix my clothes, just trying to check myself out. I just have to put some lip liner on. And excuse that mess in my background, y'all. I have a dress on that I'm trying to get rid of, and it's a catch-all spot. I am finished with my makeup. I'm just about to line my lips. So here I was just trying to adjust my lights and trying to get the right light for the video, but I didn't have my other ring light plugged up. I should have plugged up my, yep, I'm spitting. I should have plugged up my other ring light, but y'all see it better when I get out this room. I'll be back shortly. So before I got to my grandma's house, I had to stop by my aunt's house to see her because we haven't seen her in a while. Now we're heading to my grandma's house. I was so ready to get there because, child, I was hungry and I did not eat no breakfast, and I was waiting to get there so I could eat. Y'all check my girl out. She is cute today. Yes. Azari. Yes. Get into it. Look at me. You look pretty.
Baby girl, why'd you do that?
She's posing.
Baby girl, why'd you do that? Just don't do that again.
Okay, record.
So thankful for all of your many blessings that you have blessed us with this year.
Behind the drama.
We got more ham.
Temperature balancing so I stay cool. And senses my movement and automatically adjust to help keep me comfortable all night.
So people can know I have multiple sisters.
What your last sons are posted?
I was gonna say what you were doing, girl.
Post for that picture.
My last list.
Okay, come over there. I think it's a small. Extra small.
Top size.
That's a small. I don't know how to bring. Hey Bianca, you two, I'm here. I'm a little late. Happy Thanksgiving. If you ain't put your Christmas tree up, put it tomorrow. Y'all stay safe and give me some presents. I like a lot of stuff.
Everybody say what you thankful for.
I'm thankful for a family, a roof over my head, a job to work, and just living life. Cause life too short to be too serious.
I'm thankful for peace.